I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my life. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. No, 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 arguing, trifling, difficult. No, I don't know why you love me.
Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine. I'm an RBT and I give upcoming RBTs different tips and tricks on how to pass the exam and my life after the exam. If new to my channel, please like this video, comment some more videos you want to see, and join me on the road to a BCBA. Okay, y'all, so I've been really consistent with the videos. I'm talking back to back to back to back to back to back to back. I'm back on the camera. Like, I'm excited. I'm excited for this video because I think I'm gonna do a prank in this video. But anyway, this is gonna be a weekend in my life. I have some fun things planned this weekend. I'm gonna be with my boyfriend this weekend. Yay. And he's on the way right now. He told me he's on the way, so hopefully he actually is on the way. I also want to prank him too. So I got this. You know, I'm like, what is that? Is that just water? No, it's not water. It's okay, it is water, but it's thick water. Yeah. This is my first prank, so I'm not really a pranker. Like, I don't really know how to prank, but we gonna see how it goes. Thick water, it don't sound good. Let me see how it smells. So let's open it. It don't have a smell, but it's real. I don't know, like, I don't know. But I'm gonna put it in this water bottle and I'm just gonna act like it's a regular water bottle, you know. Well, it seems real wasteful to pour this out. I'm not gonna pour it out. Hold on. Should I taste it just for good luck? Should I taste it? No, I'm gonna taste it when he tastes it so I can be like, you know, it tastes regular. You know, it tastes like regular water. Okay, yeah. So yeah. This is the water. I'm just gonna put it in my room. Let's go put it in my room somewhere. He gonna be like, baby, can I get some of your water? I'm gonna be like, yeah, you can get some of my water. That thick water. Thick water. Right here, we're gonna set it right here. Do it look normal? Like, it look like, yeah, it look like regular water. I mean, it's a little, hopefully he don't do that, because did it look a little funny? But he's not gonna have no thoughts of doing that. Like, so yeah, I think it look regular. We're just gonna set it right here like a regular water bottle, you know? I think that's a good spot for it. But anyways, I do plan on cooking tonight. So I'm gonna make fried chicken and I'm gonna make some pasta, rice stuff, and then maybe some broccoli. Let's see if we have some broccoli. I do want to go to the store because we need canvases, so I'll take you guys along with me to the store. I've never taken the camera to the store. I have took the camera to the store yet, but I haven't had a successful film day in the store, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, we don't have any broccoli, so I have to get some broccoli too, which is fine. But I have everything else for the meal. So yeah, when he gets here, I will update you guys again. Oh yeah, let me let you guys know about how my homework is going. So I'm gonna put this, where should I hide the evidence? We're gonna hide it in here, okay? Oh yeah, y'all, my dog Smokey is gone. I don't know if you guys know, but I did have another dog. I'm gonna do probably like a story time on my dog and like why, you know, what happened to my first dog and what happened to my second dog. I'm really just like chilling till he get here. Okay, y'all, he's 10 minutes away. So I'm gonna wait till he get here and then we'll probably go to the store to get some canvases because I do want to paint. I want to paint a picture for us to go like right here on my wall. Let me show y'all. Right here on my wall, like you see that blank spot right there? I need something to go right there. Let me do a little homework while I wait for him because he's 10 minutes away.
in my mind.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running.
Okay, y'all, so I'm about to make some dinner. We're back from the dollar store. I'm about to make some dinner. And I'm gonna make fried chicken and some like pasta. Hold on, let me get it. This. So first we gonna clean the chicken. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to I cannot film in front of you. Okay, y'all, so I got the chicken clean. I'm about to go ahead and season it. Today's fit. gonna get a bear. Right? Yeah, I'm still gonna get a bear. Even though I lost with racing, I always lose with racing. So it's like, it don't make no difference, you know? I'm used to it. But anyways, it was fun.
I didn't know they went that fast.
Yeah. They kept slowing me down and somebody bumped into me. And it was like, they told me no bumping. But they bumped into me.
They kept waving at me. I wasn't looking at them, no. They kept saying some shit.
And then people was driving slow at me and they kept putting the let's pass thing. Because I was passing people up. Yeah.
You was out there going crazy.
Oh.
You was drifting.
Yeah.
Like, we have fun at Andretti's, guys.
We have fun at Andretti's, guys. Thank you for tuning in for this weekend in my life.
No. We have fun at Andretti's, guys. We couldn't get the bear at the arcade, so we getting one at Walmart.
Walmart? Okay.
You think you said it?
We can just walk in and get the bear. And show them?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So we didn't get the bear at Andretti's, but I'm still getting the bear. So let's go get the bear. Wally World. My head is cute. She was slick trying to say we was stealing. All right, y'all, so this will be the end of my weekend in my life. I had a great time going to Andretti's and cooking and doing all types of different stuff. And also, I did get a bear. I'm gonna name her, what we gonna name her?
That's Lovebug.
Lorabelle?
That's Lovebug.
Lovebird?
Lovebug.
Lovebug. Okay. We gonna name her Lovebug. And yeah, 2024. We got together in 2024. So I guess that can be like a, you know, that's cute. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning into this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join me on the road to the BCBA. Bye!
Young, I don't wanna, they working my